Networking is a fundamental aspect of modern computing, enabling communication, collaboration, and the exchange of information. Understanding networking concepts and being acquainted with essential Linux networking commands are essential for those engaged in AI development. This knowledge is especially beneficial when edge computing, cloud computing, and collaborative development environments within the domain of artificial intelligence. Given that AI applications frequently handle extensive datasets, Linux networking plays a crucial role in facilitating efficient data transfer between machines, storage systems, and cloud platforms. This ensures a seamless and accessible flow of essential data for tasks such as training and inference. Understanding the basic networking types and protocols is essential for configuring, managing, and troubleshooting network connections on Linux systems. The local area network is a type of network that encompasses a limited geographic area, such as a single building or campus, while a wide area network extends over a larger geographical scope and can interconnect multiple LAN. In these networks, TCP/IP and UDP serve as fundamental communication protocols. TCP guarantees dependable data delivery through its connection-oriented characteristics, with IP managing addressing and routing. Conversely, UDP is a more straightforward and simpler protocol, ideal for applications prioritizing speed over absolute reliability. Application layer protocols like HTTP, FTP, and SMTP operate over TCP, or in certain instances UDP. IP addressing serves as a foundational concept in networking by assigning a distinctive numerical address to each device linked to a network. The IPv4 address, a 32-bit numerical label, is segregated into 4 8-bit octets, with each octet presented in decimal format and separated by dots. In contrast, IPv6 addresses using hexadecimal notation are lengthier than their IPv4 counterparts, organized into 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits and separated by colons. The subnetting concept empowers network administrators to partition a single IP network into more manageable subnetworks, thereby improving network efficiency and security. Within the network, the routers take on the crucial role of directing data packets from their source to their intended destination. In the field of artificial intelligence, networking commands play a crucial role in facilitating efficient data transfer between various components. Commands like SSH, SCP, SFTP, and others are indispensable tools for remote administration and data exchange within distributed AI systems. Invaluable networking commands such as ping, traceroute, and netstat are essential for diagnosing connectivity issues. To boost your expertise, let's closely examine these commands, explore real-world scenarios, and acquaint yourself with their utilization. In Linux, both ifconfig and IP commands are used to configure and manage network interfaces, providing information about the current network setup and allowing users to adjust various parameters. While both commands serve similar purposes, they differ in features, syntax, and functionality. Ifconfig, short for interface configuration, is an older tool, whereas IP is considered a more modern and powerful command. It replaces several older networking commands, including ifconfig, root, and arp, offering improved capabilities and a simplified syntax. If you want to check your system's IP address on a Linux system, execute the ifconfig command and look for eth0. You will find both the IPv4 and IPv6 configured addresses listed under inet address and inet6 address, respectively. The SSH command, an abbreviation for Secure Shell, is a widely employed utility for establishing secure connections to remote systems over a network. It establishes a secure and encrypted communication channel between the local and remote machines. The primary purpose of SSH is to enable users to securely log in to a remote system and execute commands. To use SSH, open a terminal and execute the command as demonstrated. Following the execution, you will be prompted to enter the password, for the specified username on the remote machine. If you are connecting to a Linux system from a Windows environment, you have the option to utilize third-party tools like PuTTY or the Windows subsystem for Linux called WSL, which comes with its built-in SSH command. The SFTP command, an abbreviation for Secure File Transfer Protocol, is a command-line utility designed for securely transferring files between a local system and a remote system. It is an integral part of the OpenSSH suite and operates over the SSH Secure Shell protocol, ensuring encrypted communication. Unlike its counterpart SCP, the SFTP offers a more feature-rich and interactive experience. Users can list directories and access detailed information about files on the remote system. Upon executing the command, SFTP enters an interactive mode, presenting an SFTP prompt. Users can then employ various commands to navigate the remote file system and initiate file transfers. The SCP command, short for Secure Copy, is again a command-line utility designed for securely copying files between a local system and a remote system. It utilizes the SSH, Secure Shell protocol, ensuring encryption and authentication for secure file transfers. Although SCP is efficient for straightforward file transfers, it lacks the interactive features and advanced file management capabilities provided by command like SFTP. For recursive copying of directories and their contents, use the -r option in SCP. Both the curl and wget are command-line utilities utilized for downloading files from the Internet. Although they offer similar functionalities, they exhibit differences in usage and features. Curl is highly versatile and can handle a broad spectrum of protocols beyond HTTP, HTTPS, including FTP, FTPS, SCP, LDAP, and more. On the other hand, wget specializes in recursive downloads, making it valuable for mirroring entire websites, with the -r option enabling recursive download. In AI workflows which frequently involve running scripts for tasks such as data preprocessing, model training, and evaluation, both curl and wget prove useful. These utilities can be incorporated into scripts to dynamically fetch required resources or data. The ping, traceroute, and netstack commands are essential tools for diagnosing and troubleshooting network-related issues in a Linux environment. They provide information about network connectivity, routing, and active network connections. The ping command is used to test the reachability of a host on an IP network. The traceroute command traces the route that packets take from your local system to a destination host. The netstack command displays various network-related information, such as active network connections, listening ports, routing tables, interface statistics, and more. Congratulations! Now that you've completed the theoretical part of the course, it's time to take your learning to the next level through hands-on engagement. Delve into the course resources provided, which may include additional materials, documentation, and practical exercises designed to reinforce the concepts covered in the video. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out to the course instructor. They are there to support you and provide comprehensive instructions on how to approach the practical exercises effectively.